Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ano yung energies na inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances. Ngayong May 2026, general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Gemini. Wow, strength, lakas. Yung health ninyo ngayong May is really good pagdating sa pagiging productive, no? Marami kayong ma-achieve, ma-accomplish. You will bring stability in your career, your finances, your business, ano man yung sources of income ninyo. Okay? May kalakasan, may katatagan. And maari ring marami kang kailangang gawin, trabahuhin ngayong may kaya mga kailangan ka talaga ng lakas. Ang lakas naman, hindi lang yan sa physical, mental, emotional, spiritual na lakas. You need that. Also, authenticity, pagiging totoo sa iyong sarili. Kasi minsan, di ba, may mga pagkakataon na akala natin yung certain job or career path na yon ay magwo-work din para sa atin dahil na-compare natin sa iba na, kung kaya niya, kaya ko rin. But the question is it really aligned to what you really want or yung interest mo? 'Di ba? So, ngayong May, you will step into your own authenticity, yung pagiging totoo sa yung sarili na ano ba talaga ang kakayanan mo. Saan ka ba talaga interesado pagdating sa trabaho? Ano ba talaga yung trabaho na gusto mong i-pursue na walang makikialam sa'yo na yun talaga yung gusto mo? Okay? Kasi minsan, ito gagawin natin trabaho na to or career path na to kasi ito yung sabi nung asawa mo o kaya ng parents mo. Or ito yung in demand. Pero deep within you, there is something that you want to explore and to work. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, igawing career. But I think ngayong May, you're going to give yourself a chance to explore whatever interest you have pagdating sa career. Some of you, maaring, you want to, parang gusto mong humarap sa camera. Gusto mong mag-share ng abilities mo, ng pagiging totoo mo. Some of you, content creation, vlogging, or, being in front of the public. I also see na you are improving yourself, na yung confident, no? You want to be, you're going to be more confident in showing yourself, presenting yourself to the world. And alam nyo, i-embrace yan yung pagiging totoo ninyo. Kasi ngayon naman, ang mga tao, alam na nila kung ang isang tao ay nagpapanggap lang. And alam nila kung sino yung nagpapakatotoo. So for you, you will have the courage to show up, and to showcase your talents and skills. Divine Feminine. This is about being open to divine inspiration. Some of you are inspired to create something, to create anything that inspires you. You have the mountain. Itong mountain, it's like a challenge sa'yo, but at the same time, ito rin yung magpapatibay sa'yo. Kasi dito mo malalaman kung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay. Kung gusto mo talagang harapin yan, kung gusto mo talagang i-pursue yan, kahit gaano kahirap yung kailangan mo pagdaanan, you are willing to go through the process. Okay? And then, itong mountain is also aligning yourself to your goals, to your dreams, and taking action dun sa mga pangarap mo. You also have the moon. The moon is your emotions, your devotion. Yung, kumbaga yung gaano kalalim yung pagkagusto mo sa isang trabaho or career, yung loyalty mo, no? So you are going to be loyal to yourself, sa sarili mo, kung ano talaga ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng happiness when it comes to work, saan ka excited gumising sa umaga para magtrabaho, saan ka inspired, 'di ba? You have the Ace of Swords. Some of you are learning a new skill, learning a new craft. And this is also a eureka moment. Yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon kayo ng idea na, uy, maganda tong idea na to. Gagawin ko tong business, gagawin ko tong career. Magkakaroon ka ng awakening or realization about what you really want in life. Merong mga taong makikipag-compete sa'yo sa ginagawa mo. They might try to bring you down, 'di ba? Or i-challenge ka sa kakayanan mo, kung ikaw ba talaga ay totoo sa ginagawa mo. But you know what? You will rise above. Okay? Patutunayan mo na deserve mo yung corona na yan. Deserve mo yung status na yan. Deserve mo yung rewards, yung posisyon na meron ka ngayon. And you will show them na ikaw yung expert. Ikaw yung kumbaga kikilalanin ka, and they will watch you win. Makikita nila na nananalo sa buhay. Okay? You also have the moon again. So moon in tarot, this is about your instinct, your intuition. And if you look at the itong illustration na to sa card, maliit lang siyang pusa, pero in reality, no, siya, marami siyang potential na hindi pa niya nakikita. So for you, you will discover your potentials na marami ka pa palang kayang gawin. This is about you discovering the deeper side of you when it comes to your career, na ikaw pala ay magaling sa ganitong field, sa ganitong klaseng business. So, be open to that. You are being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. Sa pagdating sa trabaho, career path mo, meron kang blessings na matatanggap, na ito'y magbibigay sa'yo ng kapayapaan ng isip na, wow, okay, marirealize mo na kaya mo ito natatanggap is because you really deserve it. Now is the time to get out into the world and connect in authentic ways. See? Pangalawang authentic energy na to sa inyo. Okay, it's time to get out into the world, connecting in authentic ways. So some of you, yung alam mo yung podcast, ganyan, o kaya anything that you will show yourself and explore or share yung knowledge mo or skills, abilities mo. The time is right to access and master your abilities. Do so with humility and control. So yung self-mastery ng mga talents and skill set mo, you will do it, you will improve it, and you will recognize, no? Marirecognize ka and mare-reward ka dyan. So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.